Hashtag short. Here we go, guys. Jeep Cherokee 2017 model. Look at that guy here, guy. Starter. This is the starter from hell, guys. So in order to replace this starter, a lot of stuff have to come off. This starter is hidden down up in here. Now, this car came in as a no crank, okay, by banging on the top of the solenoid, which is this right here, a couple of times. Finally got it to engage and crank, and I was able to drive it in instead of pushing it in. But look at all the stuff that has to come off, guys. Let me show you something under the bottom. Take a look at this. I don't know if y'all can see that. That starter bolt up there, how rusty it is. I had to bang on it from up top to actually get it to, I bang on the solenoid to get the solenoid to engage the flywheel and to start. Yes, guys, I'm convinced I need to replace it. All right, guys, so I'm back up top. In no sense crying about it, guys. I might as well get to work. First thing first, get the battery disconnected and removed. The PDC has to come off, and a lot of other stuff down there has to come off. It's going to be a task. It is hard. I hope I'm being compensated accordingly, guys. All right, that's all I have. Hashtag short.